Hello and thank you for joining this course. This course is a result of thousands of hours of full stack developer training that I provided as a bootcamp instructor. And I'm really proud to say that my students are now working for Apple, LinkedIn, as well as Chase. In this course, you will learn how to use NodeJS to create complete data-driven applications. You're going to start by installing as well as learning how to create your first Node application. After that, we're going to jump into Express, and you're going to use Express to create server-side pages and also web APIs. In this course, we are not only going to cover a relational database like Postgres, but we're also going to cover a document database including MongoDB. To put your knowledge to test, we are going to create multiple projects with all the information that we have learned. These are all real-world practical projects. You're also going to learn how to encrypt your passwords. You're going to learn about security, authentication, so much more. I've been training developers for a very long time. At present, I work as a lead developer for a top-rated bootcamp called Digital Crafts. I'm also very active on Udemy, and I'm considered one of the top mobile instructors. I had so much fun in creating this course, and I am really sure you're going to love it. So if you're ready, let's get started.